What's that?
It's this guy. He's been following me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Pass. What is he doing?
What the hell?
Alright, hold on.
Whoa! Oh my god, it's him! What are you doing? Oh my god, okay, pull over.
Where?
Stop! What the hell are you doing?
I'm gonna get on and pull the car over so we can finally finish this.
Get away, okay? You're gonna get us in a
Get
car
over!
accident. Stop it! Ryan, look out!
Hold on. Marissa.
Wake from your sleep, we're drying up your tears. Today we escape,
Marissa. 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 Okay. Okay, okay. I'm gonna get help, okay?
Ryan,
I gotta get help. Yeah.
Ryan,
Yeah. I gotta get help.
stay. 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 Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Okay? Okay? Hold on. Hold on. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Marissa. 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 No. No. No.
Wake from your sleep. We're drying up your tears today. We escape. We escape. Pack and get dressed before